Welcome back. Charlene Patton is joining us from the Kansas Soybean Commission, and today we have a special treat for you. We're going to be making two tasty holiday treats.
And they're winning recipes.
Yes, winning recipes from the Kansas State Fair.
I thought that, in December we always have cookie plates or places that we need to take some little treats. And these are two wonderful recipes. They are so easy to make. The first one has only 3 ingredients that we're going to do. I'll let you tell who won this recipe.
Yes, this first recipe is for Chocolate Edamame Delights, and it was submitted by Margaret Miller from Burdett, Kansas. That's really close to my hometown. And she won second place.
Yes, she did. Each year, the Kansas Soybean Commission, I'll let you turn that heat off. We sponsors the Heart Healthy Contest at the State Fair. So if you want to enter this next year for 2020, you can start getting your recipes ready.
All right.
And we'll be doing it again. This was 4 bars of chocolate coating that we melted, or you can use, she said, 1 cup of wafers. You'll kind of see melting wafers. You'll see both that are available in the store. So melt that over low heat, or as the directions on the package say. And then we're going to add 1 cup of roasted salted edamame. And you can look at that, and we're used to using the soy nuts, but maybe not as much the roasted ones.
So you don't have to roast them yourself.
No,
they come this way.
They come this way in a package.
So 1
and
cup?
we're just going to add those in. They make a great snack food. And actually,
try one of those real quick.
all right. And I actually would find them in 2 places in the grocery store. One where you would find snack nuts, and then the other place might be in the bulk area where you find a lot of different packaged bulk products. That's
Those are
where
tasty.
I found it.
Yeah.
So just cover that. See how easy that is? We just cover it, stir it till we can't see it, and that is it. We're going to take let me see. You can either use 2 teaspoons, or what I like to do is use my little dipper.
Oh, yeah.
And put that on there. And then you can make them different size. This size dipper will actually make 12 of them. And what you're going to do is you have coarse salt there, and you're going to sprinkle that on top of each candy. And it almost, this time of year, looks like a little snow. But the combination of the chocolate, the sweet, and the coarse sea salt really makes a delightful candy.
I feel like if you get a Christmas tin or something like that and fill them up with these, that,
Absolutely.
better than the store-bought ones.
And the parchment-covered paper makes them really easy to take off once they set up, and it does not take very long for these to set up, and you will have 1 dozen little candies.
Do you need to cool them in the fridge or just let them set?
You can just let them sit out. This pan was a little cold from being in the car, so I don't think it'll take very long to set it up.
Simple.
But there it is, easy to make, and we'll finish setting those up later.
Oh,
but
yummy.
Isn't that easy?
Super simple and super tasty. Those roasted nuts were amazing. Okay, so this was the recipe for the Chocolate Edamame Delights, and we'll have this posted on our website here in a little bit. Also, later this morning, later in our show, we're going to be making soy butter snack balls. Looking forward to that.
And that's the first place winner, so that will be fun.
All right, we'll announce who that is in our next half hour. We'll be right back.